Economics is about how people make decisions when resources are limited. It's about choices and trade-offs. We can't have everything we want, so we have to make choices. Economics explores how individuals, businesses, and governments make these choices. It analyzes how those choices impact the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Essentially, economics is the study of how society manages its scarce resources. Economic theory provides a framework for understanding how the economic world works. Economists use models to simplify complex realities and identify key relationships. These models help us analyze data, make predictions, and design policies. For example, supply and demand is a basic economic model that explains how the price of a good is determined by the interaction of buyers and sellers. Economic theory is not about memorizing facts and figures. It's about developing a way of thinking that helps us make sense of the world around us. By understanding economic principles, we can become more informed citizens, smarter consumers, and better decision makers in our own lives. Economics is broadly divided into two branches: microeconomics and macroeconomics. These branches complement each other, offering different perspectives on the economy. Microeconomics focuses on the behavior of individual decision makers, like households and firms. It examines how they interact in specific markets. Macroeconomics, on the other hand, takes a broader view. It looks at the economy as a whole. Macroeconomics studies things like inflation, unemployment, and economic growth. Both micro and macro perspectives are crucial for a comprehensive understanding of how the economy functions. The foundation of economics lies in the concept of scarcity. Scarcity refers to the fundamental economic problem that we have unlimited wants but limited resources to satisfy those wants. This mismatch between our desires and the means to fulfill them forces us to make choices. We must decide how to allocate our scarce resources among competing uses. Economists categorize resources into four factors of production: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Land encompasses natural resources. Labor refers to human effort. Capital includes tools and machinery. And entrepreneurship involves innovation and risk-taking. Scarcity necessitates that we make trade-offs. Every choice we make comes with an opportunity cost, representing the value of the next best alternative forgone. This understanding underpins the entire discipline of economics. Section 5. Production possibilities, making choices. One way economists illustrate the concept of scarcity and opportunity cost is through the production possibilities frontier, or PPF. The PPF is a graphical representation of the different combinations of goods and services an economy can produce given its limited resources. For example, imagine an economy that can produce only 2 goods cars and computers. The PPF would show the various combinations of cars and computers the economy can produce when operating at full capacity. The PPF highlights the trade-offs an economy faces. Producing more of one good means sacrificing the production of the other. The slope of the PPF represents the opportunity cost of producing one good in terms of the other. Section 6. The price of choice. Opportunity costs. Opportunity cost is a central concept in economics. It refers to the value of the next best alternative forgone when making a decision. It's the cost of what you have to give up to get something else. For instance, the opportunity cost of going to college is the income you could have earned by working full-time instead. The opportunity cost of watching TV for an hour is the value of studying, exercising, or spending time with loved ones. Understanding opportunity costs helps us make more informed decisions. By considering the value of what we give up, we can better weigh the costs and benefits of different choices. Section 7. Growing the pie. Economic growth. Economic growth is a key objective for most societies. It refers to an increase in the production of goods and services in an economy over time. Economic growth expands the production possibilities frontier, enabling an economy to produce more of everything. Factors that contribute to economic growth include technological advancements, investment in education and capital, and improvements in institutions. Economic growth leads to higher living standards, increased employment opportunities, and improved social welfare. It's a crucial driver of progress and prosperity. Section 8. Economics. Your key to understanding the world. Economics provides a powerful framework for understanding the world around us. It helps us analyze how individuals, businesses, and governments make decisions in the face of scarcity. By understanding economic principles, we can become more informed citizens, make smarter financial choices, and better navigate the complexities of a globalized economy. Economics empowers us to critically evaluate policies, understand market dynamics, and make sense of the forces shaping our lives. Whether it's deciphering news headlines, making investment decisions, or advocating for policy changes, economics equips us with the tools for informed and effective engagement with the world.